Welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Today, we're taking a close look at the 1973 half-new penny from the United Kingdom. This small bronze coin weighs 2.83 grams and measures 17.14 millimeters in diameter. It was minted in 1973 as part of Britain's decimal coinage system, introduced to replace the old pre-decimal currency. The obverse features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin, with the inscription Elizabeth II D.G. Reg. FD marking her role as the nation's monarch. On the reverse, you'll find the denomination 1/2 new penny along with a stylized portcullis, symbolizing the House of Commons, framed with fine detailing. This design made the coin a unique piece in the UK's decimal series. While most 1973 half-new penny coins are common, uncirculated or high-grade coins can hold additional value for collectors. Pay attention to the sharpness of the Queen's portrait and the portcullis design for the best examples. If you want to support this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more rare coins and lost antiques from around the world.